Okay, hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial video for my ethical hacking class for Professor Pons at FAU. My name is Daniel Velasquez, and in my tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to use the Wireshark tool, which is a packet sniffing or a packet analyzer. And before we get to it, I just wanted to give a definition about what hacking is. And hacking is just the gaining of unauthorized access to data in a system or a computer done through flaws in the system or software that the crackers, which are hackers with malicious intent, find so they can access your data. And the ethical hacking part is done so these flaws in the system can be found before the crackers and can be fixed, so it makes it harder to them get to your information. There are a lot of techniques for hacking. The one we're showing today, it's packet sniffing, which is first for that we have to know what a packet is. And a packet contains user data and it contains control information, and the control information, what it is basically just telling you where the packet is going and where is it going from. And sniffer, it's a tool or program that can intercept and log traffic from a network or a subnetwork. And we use tools like this in class, and we used like, for example, EtherCap or Wireshark, which is the one we're gonna be using today. The bad thing with Wireshark is that it only works on your network, but the good thing with Wireshark is that it allows you to see what's happening on your network at a microscopic level, and you can use it across all the big platforms like Windows, Linux, or Mac, and many others. And it's also good because you can sniff hundreds of protocols, and not only that, the hundreds of filters that it has makes it easy to find what you're looking for in a packet. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna show you the download page for Wireshark, which is here. You choose which version do you need or want. Then once your application is downloaded, you install it, you just press next. You let it install, and I'm gonna pause the video for a second. I'm gonna keep going when it's finished. So as you can see, it says installation complete, and now we're gonna click on next, and we're gonna click on run and finish. So now this is Wireshark, and now that it's installed, we're gonna start sniffing. So as you can see now, I didn't put any filters, so it's just sniffing all types of protocol. As you can see here, HTTP, ARP, TCP, UDP, and all kinds. So what are we gonna do now? It was gonna go to Google, and the use of Google Dorks, which is just another tool using filters in Google to help me find a web page that only uses HTTP and not HTTPS. So I already used this filter, but this is how you would type it. Okay, so these links are HTTP protocols and have the word login on their link, on their URL. and that's how Google Door works. It's very easy to use, very convenient to use in Google, and minimize the amount of results you get. So let's try this one just because we like that one. And as a username, we're gonna put admin, and as a password we're gonna use the word password, and we're gonna try to log in. Remember that Wireshark, it's already sniffing, of course, that the name and username and password is invalid because it does not exist. But I'm doing this to show you that Wireshark, it's gonna find this information in a HTTP protocol package. So now we're gonna use the filters because we already did the username part. So using the HTTP filter, we reduce all the packets that we need, when in reality we just need one, this one, which is the login page, and we right click on it, we go to follow and then to TCP stream, and the information you put it as username and as password should be here. Like I told you, the username was password and the password was the word password, which are here. So as you can see, Wireshark, it's a very useful, very simple tool to use, which has a lot of functionalities. I just showed you one little one, but it does way more than that. And so we're gonna close this because the tutorial is over, but I just wanted to show you that Wireshark, it's still sniffing. It doesn't stop until you tell it to stop. So we're gonna tell Wireshark to stop, and we're gonna finish with our tutorial. I hope you guys have learned how to get information through packages through Wireshark. Thank you for your time and for your attention.